Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel Technocoder. Myself Patel Mohil. I am already started a series on a Laravel. If you are new to my channel, then I recommended to first visit my old video. Link is given in a description so you can visit from there. In the last video, I was teach you a brief knowledge of Composer, in which I covered what is Composer, what is the use of Composer, how using Composer you can install and run a Laravel application in your PC. So, in this video, I will cover a brief information about migration, in which I cover what is migration, what is the use of migration, how to create migration file using command, what is up and down method in migration, how to run migration using command, and the last and most important thing, if already tables exist in a database and some changes you want to do in a migration, so after doing changes, which command should you fire? So the first question may arise in your mind, what is migration? Migration means it will create a table in your database without actually going to database manager such as phpMyAdmin and so on. Means it gives facility to create, update and destroy table in your database manager. But the most important is you don't need to visit there. Without interference of database manager, you can perform this all operation, and that is the biggest advantage of migration in point of view security purpose. So the second question is how to create a migration. For that, using only one command in command prompt, you can create a migration file for your table. So in command prompt, write the below mentioned command, which is php artisan make migration space create project table. You can write your table name instead of project. So let's see a practical of it in our Laravel application. So now open a command prompt for create a migration file cmd. First go through your directory part, XAMPP, htdocs, cd technopro, cd demo. Okay, now fire a command php artisan make migration create. Now it is time for insert a table name. My table name is student table and press enter. Okay, so now minimize the command prompt and open a editor. I am using a Sublime text editor. You can use any editor whatever you want. Basically all our migration file is in our database migration folder. Here you can see this, your all migration file is present. This is our migration file which we was created recently. This two migration file is a inbuilt migration file. Whenever you install any Laravel application, this two migration file is inbuilt. Suppose you want to add some column in this migration file. How you can do it? Let's see. Suppose we want to add one column in our student table which name is student name with data type string. For that the syntax is $table string our column name which is student name. Okay, let's add one more column with data type integer. Okay, dollar table integer, and the column name is student age. Suppose you want to add one more column which contain foreign key of another table. So how you can do it? For that, the syntax is dollar table, first add column which is integer data type, and column name which is user ID. Okay, the attribute is unsigned, and one more is nullable. Now for adding a foreign key, you want to add one more syntax which is dollar table foreign. This is a method. Here you want to pass your column name, one more method which is reference. Here you want to pass parameter of your another table name's primary key, means ID. And the last is one more method on which contain foreign table name, means user. Here you want to see your foreign table name is users. Okay, now if you want to generate a table of your migration file, for that you have to only need to fire one command, but before that you have to do some changes. So open a phpMyAdmin and create your database. Okay, database name is demo pro and create. Now you can see here .env file, click there and write your database name here. My database name is demo pro, and check if your username is root, then write root, otherwise whatever your username, mention here, and password. Okay, and save changes, and now fire that command. The command is php artisan migrate and press enter. Okay, so command fire successfully. That means your all table is generated also successfully. So here you can see this. Okay, your table is generated. Okay, so second student. So the next thing is up and down method in migration. If you see migration file in a proper manner, then you notice there are two methods is used up. First is up and second is down. So what is that? The up method is fire when the migration is executed for applied changes in database such as phpMyAdmin and so on. And the down method is fire when for revert changes in migration. And the last and most important thing is if already table exists in a database and if you want to do some changes, and after changes which command should you fire? For that, fire command in a command prompt which is PHP artisan migrate colon fresh. It will drop all the table first and then again generate. Okay, so that's all for today. If you really like my video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I am bring this type of awesome video for you guys. Thank you guys. See you soon.